It is not advisable to rely solely on the equipment grounding conductor of the feeder. While the equipment grounding conductor is an important safety feature, it isn't sufficient to provide adequate grounding in all situations, especially when there is a high resistance between the equipment grounding conductor and the ground. This can occur in dry or rocky soil conditions. Installing an 8-foot ground rod at the subpanel is strongly recommended for the following reasons. Firstly, it ensures a low resistance path to ground. The ground rod provides a more direct and stable path to ground than the equipment grounding conductor, which can be affected by factors such as soil moisture levels and corrosion. Secondly, it provides enhanced protection against electrical surges. A proper grounding system helps to dissipate electrical surges and overvoltages, protecting the equipment and occupants from potential hazards. Thirdly, it complies with electrical codes. Most electrical codes require additional grounding for electrical systems near bodies of water. Here is a recommended procedure. 1. Drive an 8-foot galvanized ground rod into the ground near the subpanel. 2. Attach a copper conductor, American wire gauge 6 or larger, to the ground rod using a grounding clamp. 3. Run the conductor to the subpanel and connect it to the grounding bus bar or other designated grounding point. 4. Ensure that all equipment in the subpanel is properly grounded. If possible, bury the ground rod at least 6 feet below grade. If the soil is dry or rocky, consider using a ground rod with a longer length or diameter. Perform periodic ground resistance tests to ensure the grounding system is functioning properly.